Author's purpose, the reason an author writes a story. Remember, every time you pick up a book, there's an author that wrote that story and had a purpose for writing that story. So let's go ahead and go through our different slides. Persuade. Go ahead and say that word. Persuade. Good job. Think about what the author is trying to do. Here are some questions you can ask yourself when you're reading to try to figure out whether or not the story is to persuade you. Is the author trying to change your mind about something? Is he trying to get you to do or try something? If the answer is yes for those, then the story was probably meant to persuade you. All right. Inform. Go ahead and say that word. Inform. Good job. Think about what the author is trying to do. So again, you can ask yourself these questions to try to figure out the author's purpose for writing that story. Did the author give me facts? Are they trying to teach me something new? If the answer is yes, then this story was probably meant to inform you. Entertain. Think about what the author is trying to do. Is the author trying to tell me a funny story or a story just for fun? Is it a story that does not inform or persuade? If the answer is yes, then the story is probably meant to do what? Entertain you. So, just another little review. Persuade, the author is trying to convince you. Inform, the author is trying to teach you something. Entertain, the author is trying to make you laugh, hope you will enjoy the story. All right, let's go ahead and look at a little passage, a little story, and try to figure out the author's reasoning for writing that story. So here's our little story. I'll read it twice, and then we'll figure out why the author wrote the story. Many people celebrate St. Patrick's Day. It is a national holiday. It is celebrated on March 17th. Many Irish people celebrate it. People can wear the color green on St. Patrick's Day. People dance and have fun on this day. The shamrock is a symbol of unity and is used as part of St. Patrick's Day celebration. I'll read it one more time. Please make sure you're listening and asking yourself those different questions to figure out what the purpose for the story is. Many people celebrate St. Patrick's Day. It is a national holiday. It is celebrated on March 17th. Many Irish people celebrate it. People can wear the color green on St. Patrick's Day. People dance and have fun on this day. The shamrock is a symbol of unity and is used as part of the St. Patrick's Day celebration. Okay? So, why do you think the author wrote this story? Let's go ahead and go back and ask ourselves these different questions. So, is the author trying to change your mind about something? Thumbs up or down. Is he trying to get you to try or do something? Okay. Did the author give me facts? Are they trying to teach me something new? Did we just learn some facts about a holiday? I think so. Do you think the author is trying to teach you something new or give you more information? I think so. What do you think they're trying to give us more information on? St. Patrick's Day. So I have 2 thumbs up for those questions. Is the author trying to tell me a funny story or a story just for fun? I didn't think it was a funny story. I think it had more information about a topic. So I'm going to give a thumbs down. Is it a story that does not inform or persuade me? Well, I had 2 thumbs up for inform because I did learn some new things about St. Patrick's Day, and those were facts. So I have to give a thumbs down because this story did have some information in it. So let's go back. So what do you think it is? To persuade you? Did you have thumbs up or down for that one? I had thumbs down. I didn't think the author was trying to get me to do anything or believe anything. To inform me? My thumbs were up for that one because I did learn some new facts about St. Patrick's Day, and I did learn some new information. To entertain me? My thumbs were down for that one because I didn't think it was a funny story. So what do you think the answer is? To inform us, to inform the reader. All right, now it says, tell how you know. So how do we know this story was meant to inform us? I'll give you some time to think about it. All right, if you need more time, pause the video. But the author gave us facts about St. Patrick's Day. I learned new information about the holiday. All right. So, why did the author write the story? To inform us. Now, we ask ourselves those questions to help us figure out this answer. So every time you come across a book and you're trying to figure out the author's purpose, ask yourself those different questions. We'll continue to practice those questions throughout the week if you need more practice. But remember, the author's purpose, the reason an author writes a story.